Hi guys, welcome. Good to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to style Senegal twist crochet in beautiful ways.
Keep up with me. Let's go. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning.
Find your beautiful.
As you can see, I have sectioned the hair around the perimeter, and I've also cornrowed the middle part of the hair, and then I've twisted the part I sectioned out around the perimeter down. So I start by crocheting the single twist and hiding the hair in the crochet nicely. I loop the hair through the single braids using my latch hook, then push it through the twist and then also wrap it gently so that I hide the hair nicely right inside the Senegal twist. Now I'm doing a quick style switch for my model. So I'm going to create an elegant updo with this Senegal twist. It's easier to achieve this because I did the half cornrow base. So I'm sectioning the hair into 4 parts, one in front, 2 at the sides, and then 1 at the back. I'm holding up the front section with rubber band. And then I'm crossing the 2 side section over it. Then I pin it down nicely with bobby pins. For the back section, I hold it up into a pony and then create a nice pattern and also hold it down with my bobby pins. Wow, this updo is elegant. It was easy to achieve this because I did the half cornrow base, so I'm not trying to hide the cornrow. We have single strands of the Senegal twist coming out, so that looks really nice and gives us a beautiful natural finish. This is amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I need you to try out these styles at home, try to recreate the Senegal twist half cornrow crochet style and recreate an elegant updo with it, and share your experience with me in the comment section. I'll be right there to see you. Please also like, share and subscribe to this channel. I love you. My name is Ekemnido and I'm the hair goddess.